Good morning, all. Welcome to Anand Rathi Morning Commodity and Currency Podcast. Let's begin with precious metal update. Gold direction remains subdued ahead of US Fed meeting due to end tomorrow, amid trajectory of rate cuts to be closely scrutinized by market participants, with markets now anticipating only one rate cut this year. Any indication of two or more rate cuts this year by the Fed chair could nonetheless lead to positive sentiments for gold markets. Finally, with China's PMI number picking up modestly in April, could remain slightly positive for silver. Technically, gold pivot is around 71,482. If gold surpasses 71,905, it has potential to reach to the levels of 72,157. And conversely, if it falls below 71,300, we might see downside to the level of 71,047. Going ahead with base metal update, base metal might trade in positive side as Asian stock posted gains, driven by China's factory growth reaching a 14-month high. Moreover, there's anticipation for metal support as the Fed shows no urgency in cutting rates. Investors are also contemplating the potential for China to resort to drastic measures like a significant devaluation of yuan to revive its sluggish economy. Technically, copper pivot is around 870. If copper breaks above 883, it may move upside to the level of 890. And if it falls below 865, we might see downside to the level of 857. Going ahead with energy update, crude oil has eased a bit on anticipation of ceasefire, but prices may now remain range bound until the outcome of the latest push for a truce is known. China's manufacturing activity picked up pace in April. However, prevailing macro headwinds across major economies is still showing signs of slowdown. WTI oil has reversed from a key resistance level of $84.50 and hover around 82.50. Now, sell on rice is still advisable with near-term targets of $80 to 81 level. Technically, crude oil pivot is around 6,930. If crude oil rises above 6,964, we might see upside to the level of 7,017. And if it falls below 6,834, we may see downside to the level of 6,781. On currency front, dollar remained firm against other currencies ahead of the FOMC meeting starting today. Even as USD JPY saw a sharp correction, the dollar remained strong as concern that the FOMC will be forced to be hawkish kept the dollar buzzing. Rupee might trade flat today amid likely dollar demand and expectation that the central bank will not allow the currency to hit a new all-time low. Major events scheduled today are US Employment Cost Index, US Consumer Confidence. That's all for today's podcast. Have a successful trading day. Thank you.